Hi guys, so today we are taking a trip to Goa and Italy all in one dish with this incredible Goan Choris Cheesy Pasta. We are combining the spicy tangy goodness of Goan Choris with creamy cheesy pasta for a fusion you won't forget. If you are looking for something exciting, a little spicy and oh so cheesy, you have come to the right place. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to make this unique and delicious pasta right in your own kitchen. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, if you like the recipe, then please do hit the like and also share it with your loved ones. So now let's begin. So first keep water for boiling, cover it and allow it to boil. Then take 30 to 35 Goan chorizo or Goan sausages. Then simply separate the meat. Do exactly how it is shown. First remove the thread. Then cut the skin as shown and simply separate the meat. But make sure to also keep the sausage skin. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then check on the water which was kept for boiling. Add 500 grams pasta. You can use any pasta you like. Here I've used spiral pasta. Then add some salt to taste. Then give it a nice mix. Then add 3 to 4 tablespoon oil and cover it and cook it until the pasta is 90% cooked. So the pasta is cooked about 90% now, as you can see. Then simply strain the pasta. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 3 onions sliced and fry the onion for few seconds. Then add the sausage skin and fry it until the onion is nice and light brown. So the onion is nice and light brown now. Make sure it is something like this. Then remove the sausage skin and add 2 tablespoons Goan rechado masala. Check the link in the description below for the recipe. Add 1 tablespoon tomato paste and fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes until the masala is nicely fried with the onion. Then add 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 stock cube and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry it for a minute. Then add the Goan chorizo and fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then add half cup water and give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste and give it a nice mix. Then add the cooked pasta and give it a nice mix. Let the pasta nicely coat with the masalas. Then add 1 cup grated cheddar cheese and cook it until the cheese is nicely melted. Then add handful of chopped coriander leaves and give it a final mix. So the Goan Choris Cheesy Pasta is ready. And there you have it guys, our wonderfully flavorful and cheesy Goan Choris pasta. I hope you enjoyed this fusion of spicy Goan sausages with creamy pasta. It's a taste adventure. Don't forget to like this video if you love the unique flavors. Subscribe for more interesting recipes and let me know in the comments what your thoughts for this dish. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.